Sentence ahead. Anatoly a faigh cúpla coffee. So what's that one in English? Write it down, don't say it out loud. Anatoly a faigh cúpla coffee. Sentence again. Ciamar a faigh airt leis a chomharsa. Ciamar a faigh airt leis a chomharsa. Sentence at 3. This is the answer. She seo céist, she seo fhreagras. Ha mi a faigh airt guma Tachartas. Ha mi a faigh airt guma Tachartas. Out of the ceistean, number 4. Va airson againn. An deagh. Sorry, past tense. Va airson againn. An deagh. This comes from the verb faigh, to get. When you put it into the past, it does a similar thing to English. Get goes to got in the past. I got wet, I got this, I got that. So this is how the verb behaves in the past. An deagh. Out of a faigh. Short and fhreagras. This is the question. If this is the question, this is the answer. Chadúr. A chuair mi acalmh eile ag company eile. Chadúr. A chuair mi acalmh eile ag company eile. Chuair mi amach gon raibh an uinneag príste. Chuair mi amach gon raibh an uinneag príste. Right, try this one. Chuair mi amach gon raibh againn príste. That doesn't mean Ian was snapped in half like a twig. Chuair mi amach gon raibh againn príste. So, if I ask any of you, imagine any single one of you had a job interview, and I said, An Lòchran, did you get it? How would you say yes? Correct. How would you say no? Correct. Yeah. Starting to make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Right. Out of a hock. Number 8. Out of a hock. Future tense. Right. Hí mi an sibh. Gheibh sibh an againn. So this is if hua is the past tense, this is it in the future tense. Gheibh, as I say, irregular.
So how do you pronounce that? Gheibh?
Gheibh. Yeah. It's like a constipated Y. Gheibh. Yeah.
So I'm being like a you'll catch the job like.
Yeah, you'll hear you as well. Yeah, Gheibh or you. I say Gheibh. Hí mi an sibh. Gheibh sibh an againn. Out of a nui. Chatalam an car seo. Ciamar a gheibh mi cúchas é. No, ciamar a gheibh mi cúchas é. Both are possible. Ciamar a gheibh mi cúchas é or ciamar a gheibh mi cúchas é. Ceistean. If this is I will get, this is I won't get. Faigh in there, United. Yeah. Chanai sin shachad is na trúblichin seo as dúnis. Gheibh, chanai sin shachad is na trúblichin seo as dúnis.
Oh, me catch the ball. That's the only shame.
I'm not getting paid for my acting skills. Out of a hundiag. Out of a hundiag. An faigh cúpla coffee go? And the answer, chanai. Chanil coffee againn. An faigh cúpla coffee go? Chanai. Chanil coffee againn. So try this one. Out of a Gàidhlig. An faigh tú ghnìomhair mo maha. If we don't have coffee, mor a hir coffee againn. An faigh tú ghnìomhair mo maha. And the answer, chanil banya againn is nua.
How do you pronounce that so they can?
Chanil.
Aye.
Yeah, there are only 3 words in Gaelic where FH is still pronounced like a H sound. Other than that, if an H is after the F, it completely disappears.
Yeah.
Chanil. Yeah. And number 14, I was just being a faigh amach an faigh mi chips leis a faigh mi.
So sorry, what's again? Chips.
Faigh amach an faigh chits leis a faigh me.
Oh, Chelsea goes my part.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to put this into spoken practice now, but we're only going to focus on the past tense and future tense. And the way this is going to work is